In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use an automated farming bot. In other words, this is a way to farm airdrops passively without you having to spend hours and hours on end every single day manually doing transactions and figuring all this stuff out on your own. This app is called Farmbase Pro, and as you can see, it is in fact the simplest way to farm the biggest airdrops of 2024. A lot of my videos discuss how to farm things like Blast and Mode and ZK Sync, but this is going to allow you to farm airdrops that still could be huge if they come out this year. Things like Base, Solana, Linea, and Scroll, and more to be added in the future. And they even have a super cool little airdrop calculator on here that shows you just how much you could potentially earn from these airdrops should they happen in the next year or so. So let's just say in the next 6 months, we farm on these passive wallets that are completely automated, and we deposit just half an ETH for 6 months, and we do transactions with a premium wallet every 5 days. You'll see there's about 48 total transactions for a total volume of $76,000. It'll cost us about $29 in transaction fees, and our ending balance will be just a bit lower than what we started with 0.5. What we could see is a potential profit in airdrop of $5,496. And if you do a free wallet, $4,100 as well, which we'll get to in just a second. Now, obviously there's no way to know if these airdrops will happen or how much we'll make from them, but based on what we've seen so far, even the most recent airdrop I just did was $15,000 from Wormhole, and I didn't do that much activity on Wormhole at all. $15,000 in free airdrop is a fantastic payout for just a little bit of manual work. So let's see what happens if we do a lot more work fully automated using a site just like Farmbase. This is the Farmbase dashboard. You can see we are currently farming Base. There are options to do Solana, Scroll, and Linea, but right now my focus has been on Base because I think if Coinbase does launch a Base airdrop for their L2, it will be the biggest airdrop of this year, maybe ever, because it's Coinbase and they have a ton of users, over 100 million users. So I've been farming Base, and you can see I've done $4,000 in volume so far, over 51 transactions. I currently have 6 wallets set up. You can see here I have 5 premium wallets and 1 free one. I only put 0.1 ETH in each wallet for a total of 0.6 ETH. So really not that much money for me, particularly at the time of recording this video. That 0.6 ETH is worth about $2,200. So that's how much money I've put into each of these wallets, spread out across all 6 of them. And they are actively farming every couple days automatically without me having to do anything. Let's check out one of the wallets here just to show you what I'm talking about. The first wallet, we've done $1,500 in volume, over 14 transactions in the last 20 days. You can see I have 0.01 ETH left in my wallet, and that's because a lot of the tokens are actually on Base protocols right now. Currently, these are locked in Seamless, which is one of the protocols on Base. I don't even know what it is. I haven't done it. I haven't touched it, but automatically Farmbase is doing all these transactions for me. And if we scroll down, we can see the transaction history. We can see we've used a bunch of different protocols, KyberSwap, 1inch, Odas, all these different things. I haven't done any of this. I set it up on March 6th, and over the last week or so, it's done a bunch of different transactions to help me farm and get eligible for the Base airdrop. All right, if you're interested in signing up for an account at this point, make sure you click the link down below. Now, what we can actually do actively on here is choose how often we farm on Farmbase. I have it on every 5 days right now because, as you can see, if we go back to my other wallets, we go to my free wallet here. This one you only can do every 10 days. If you want to switch the farming frequency, that's a premium feature for paid wallets only. So personally, on the premium wallets, I have automated farming turned on all of them, and I have them all set to every 5 days so that there's the maximum amount of transactions happening every so often, and I can maximize my volume and hopefully maximize the amount of airdrop I get. Now, the other things we can do here is deposit ETH, which is basically what you're gonna do when you wanna go ahead and send ETH into a wallet to have the wallet start farming. You'll click deposit ETH. You'll send your ETH to this address on the Base or Ethereum network. I recommend sending it through Base network so it's a lot cheaper fees, because if you send through Ethereum, you're gonna have to bridge from your Ethereum mainnet wallet over to the Base chain. you're going to find out that by bridging ETH from Ethereum to Base, whether it's 0.1 or 1 or 10 ETH, the fee is the same. It's going to be about $20 to $25 in Ethereum fees to bridge from ETH to Base. So I'd recommend going on a centralized exchange like Coinbase and sending over the Base protocol into this wallet. So deposit ETH, deposit to this address, but use it on the Base chain. So that way you don't have to bridge funds on here. It won't cost you any extra money. And sending from Coinbase or Binance or Kraken or any centralized exchange to here on the Base network will cost you very, very little. In fact, it'll cost you about a cent to send it. One thing to note when you deposit on here is you need to make sure you always deposit funds to these different wallets from a centralized exchange. That way they can't track you all back to one wallet where you deposited from and say, oh, well, they're probably farming to these different wallets because they put it all in from one main wallet. If you deposit from a centralized exchange, it will look like it came from a centralized exchange, which they can't track as easily who actually sent it. This is what they call anti-Sybil protected, basically using randomized strategies like different times, gas prices, and interactions, and also making sure you deposit and withdraw your funds to unique wallets. In other words, to and from a centralized exchange and not to one of your other wallets. If you're already interested in trying out a free wallet or even a premium wallet, click the link down below or click the card right up here right now. So that's pretty much how the farming wallets work. It's very easy to set up and automate it and then let that system run. But you might be asking, how much do these cost? This is probably one of my favorite things about Farmbase is the cost of subscription. First and foremost, you can have a free wallet if you want. You can set up to 10 Ethereum wallets and 10 Solana wallets completely for free. Now, the only catch here is that, again, you have to only farm every 10 days, which is not as often as the 5-day feature for premium wallets, and you will only get 75% of the airdrop. So for example, if you got a $10,000 airdrop with a free wallet, you'd only get $7,500 worth of it, and Farmbase would keep the rest. As where if you have a premium wallet on Solana or EVM, which is Ethereum, you would get to keep 100% of that airdrop, meaning that if you got a $10,000 airdrop, you get all $10,000 worth of it. And so if these airdrops are as big as we hope they could be, I think paying the $25 or $15 a month for that wallet is a lot better deal than getting 25% of your airdrop taken just for having a free version of the wallet. Now, as you can see in my account, I've set up both. I think it's a good idea to try free first, and if you like it enough, then go ahead and buy a premium wallet. I personally have 5 premium wallets on both Ethereum and Solana, and I also have one free wallet just to see how it works. They are really the same thing. Again, the only difference is the amount of time that it will automatically farm and obviously the cost. Now, you might think $25 or even $15 a month is a lot, but let me show you NFT Copilot, which is another airdrop farming system that is very similar. In fact, if we scroll up, you can see that it farms the exact same stuff as Farmbase, Base, Scroll, and Linea. Now, looking at the price, we can see that the monthly price here is 0.35 Ethereum per month, which at the current price of Ethereum, somewhere around $3,800 to $4,000. This is about $1,400 per month, as where Farmbase is, again, $25 per month. I know for me, this was a huge selling point in choosing Farmbase over NFT Copilot, is just the price alone is so much easier to get into. So if you're already interested in trying out a free wallet, or if you want to try a premium wallet already, click the link right up here or the link in the description down below. Just 1 month on NFT Copilot costs $1,330, and multiply that by 6, $7,900 in Ethereum paid over 6 months to use NFT Copilot versus paying $150 for one wallet over on Farmbase. So unless you're doing a disgusting amount of wallets, it is definitely better to use Farmbase from a price perspective. Now let's show you how to create a new wallet. You're gonna go over to the farming tab here and click create wallet. Then you're gonna choose whether you wanna do a free wallet or a premium wallet. We'll go ahead and do a premium wallet for this example. We'll click create premium wallet. And as we can see here, it created a new wallet here and it shows that it's to be paid. We'll click complete checkout and it's actually gonna bring us back to the main page with all of our wallets, where you'll see that you need to check out one of the wallets to get it started. Click check out the wallet, and then right over here on the payment page, you can pay with USDT or USDC. Now they allow you to pay on Ethereum, on Base, on BNB, or on Polygon. And that's because it will be cheaper to pay on a layer 2 like Polygon or Base. For this example, we'll go ahead and click USDC on Ethereum just because that's all the money that I have right now. You then can go and subscribe with auto renew, where it's basically setting an allowance allowance and it will automatically pay for you, or you can get email invoices to manually pay. And to do that, you'll enter your email address below. But I'm gonna go ahead and subscribe with auto renew. And I do wanna get notifications, so I'll put my email address in to get notifications about when the subscription's renewing. We'll connect our wallet, then we'll click set allowance, and you'll have to go and approve the transaction to subscribe. Creating a free wallet is the same process. You'll click create wallet, you'll click free, you'll click create free wallet. It's then going to have you under freemium wallets, and then you can see all you'll need to do in order to start this wallet is actually go ahead and deposit ETH. When you go to deposit funds into a new wallet, it'll always remind you to deposit from a centralized exchange and not from the same wallet address. You'll click OK, and then it'll show you your wallet address where you want to deposit your funds on Base or Ethereum. And again, I recommend doing it on Base. Now, at any point, if you want to turn your free wallet into a premium one to make sure you get 100% of the airdrop, you can click this button right here that says Go Premium, and it'll then allow you to switch one of your wallets that's a free wallet over to complete payment and turn it into a premium one. For those of you who do create a premium wallet, there's one more benefit you should know about. You will be able to do referrals with a referral link once you have at least one premium wallet running. So you can see right here, my referral link is what I'll include in the description down below. But if you want to get your own referral link, you have to make at least one premium wallet. You'll then go over to the referral section and copy your link, and you can invite your friends that way. This referral program is pretty similar to other ones where you can see that you'll earn a percentage of the revenue generated from premium wallet subscriptions of your referrals, meaning that anyone who signs up using your referral code and purchase a premium subscription, you'll get a small percentage of that. And the last tab over here is the airdrops. Once the airdrops actually happen, you'll be able to see which airdrops you're eligible for, and you can claim them on this screen right here. Now, don't worry, if you watch my channel regularly, I will make sure you know about these airdrops long before they actually claim, and you will not miss them, trust me. There you go. That is the Farmbase tutorial, and I have to say, I've really enjoyed using it so far. They are planning to expand into more Solana projects and other airdrops that come out that are noteworthy, and I think for me, this is by far the easiest way to automatically farm airdrops. You only have so much time in the day and so much energy, and I've already put a lot of that energy towards other airdrops I'm farming actively, but this site allows me to farm other airdrops I want to be part of without having to spend any time or energy, and to do it totally automated.